Hey YouTube, I am working on some bronze bushings and I've got this stock here. Problem is it's not exactly round and it's not the right outside diameter that I want. And the bigger problem is I don't have a lathe. Plan on getting one soon, but I'm kind of in a pinch. I just need a couple bushings out of this, 2 1-inch bushings. And all I have is a drill press, so I'm using it for my lathe. So what I've got here, I took a 1/2-inch shaft, I took some super glue, cyanoacrylate glue, and I just glued the bushings to that. Later I'll heat them and to get it off. And now beside it I've got clamped a box. I mean, it can be anything. It just needs to be a vertical face that you can clamp down to the table. Everything's locked in position, and I'm actually using a shim here to help adjust the pitch of that face, and I'm adjusting that based on what my measurements are after I work for a little bit. And all I'm using is just a standard mill file, and I'm running it right along the face. So you can see when I'm working the top one, it's fairly stable. When I get down to the bottom one, I'm starting to get deflection. And using this shim to help adjust the pitch of my face that I'm indexing against is quite helpful. You don't necessarily want it perfectly square, you want it so that your pieces come out consistent. Since the file is tapered, it depends on how far you push it in, you start to get resistance because you're running out of space there. And then you move it vertically to do all the pieces the same. And this is actually working quite well. I'm quite pleased with it. It's going to get me out of this pinch. So you ever need to use a drill press as a lathe, here you go.